Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the best ChatGPT prompts for content creation in 2025. So if you are a creator, blogger, marketer, these prompts will help you save time, stay consistent and boost your quality. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, in order to use these prompts, you will have to come at chatgpt.com. Here you need to provide your login email and you need to log in into your account. You need to click on this new chat option and you will see this type of dialog box in front of you where you can type your prompt. So our first prompt will be this: write a 1000 word blog post about the benefits of minimalist living, use a friendly tone and include the list format. So here you can just modify this particular prompt based on the type of article you wanted to write. So this is perfect for getting a solid first draft in minutes. Now the second prompt that we have is for YouTube script. So you can see this is the script or the prompt that we have: create a 2-minute YouTube script for a video, and that is this. After that you need to give it the title and make it beginner friendly. So you can use this to speed up the video production without compromising any quality. If you want to get the prompt for your calendar, you can use this, like generate a 30-day content calendar for a personal finance Instagram account, include the post ideas and formats. Again, based on the industry you are in, you can just modify or change that domain here in this prompt and click on the enter button here. This is ideal for the creator who want to plan ahead without burning out. Next we have the prompt which is multiplies your reach from one single piece of content. So it is this: turn this blog post into a LinkedIn post, YouTube script and 3 tweets. So keep the tone professional. So as I said earlier, it actually multi-purpose prompt which you can use. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.